English grammar. 3 types of tense: present, past, and future. Present tense. I go to school. You go to school. He goes to school. She goes to school. It goes outside. We go to school. They go to school. I go to home. You go to home. Past tense. I went to work. You went to work. He went to work. She went to work. It went to work. We went to work. They went to work. I went to school. You went to school. Future tense. I will go to work. You will go to work. He will go to work. She will go to work. It will go to work. We will go to work. They will go to work. I will go to school. You will go to school.